This video shows you how to install the optional 520 sheet tray with cabinet on your printer. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Open the box. Remove the packaging material. The tray requires 2 people to lift. Unpack the tray. Remove the paper size labels. Remove the screws. Continue removing the packing material. Lock the caster to keep the tray from moving. Align the printer with the tray, and then lower the printer into place. Remove the standard tray. Secure the optional tray to the printer using screws. Insert the standard tray. Attach the rear locking brackets. Remove the connector cover from the rear of the printer. Insert the tray cable to the port, and then attach the connector cover. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. To keep the printer in place, turn the leveling screws clockwise until they touch the floor. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.